When I use Firebase Admin SDKs in my projects, I normally use service account keys to initialize SDK because it's really easy to do that. But there's a better and more secure way to do it, and it's called Workload Identity Federation. I know it's a mouthful, but it's a lot more secure than using service account keys. Here's how I set it up on my GitHub Actions workflow. First, we create the workload identity pool and a provider. I'm using the Google Cloud command line tool here, but you can also do this on the console UI. Notice how I add a condition in the provider to restrict access only to my GitHub repo. I'm using Workload Identity Federation through a service account. So we bind a service account that our workflow will impersonate as. If you use direct Workload Identity Federation, you can skip this step. Now it's time to configure things on the GitHub side. For that, let's use Google GitHub Action for authentication and configure it to use our workload identity provider. Step 4. Alright, there's no really a step 4 because we're all done. I tested this on all admin SDKs and it works. Just need to initialize the admin SDK and the SDK will pick up correct credentials through application and default credentials. And that's it. Let me know what you build.